Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on PlayStation 5. First, make sure you have the game installed on your console. You can purchase it digitally from the PlayStation Store or use a physical disc. DayZ is an online-only experience, so a stable internet connection is essential for survival. Once installed, launch the game and begin your journey into the harsh, post-apocalyptic world. Get ready to learn the ropes quickly. DayZ's core mechanics revolve around survival. You must constantly monitor your character's hunger, thirst, and overall health. Finding food and water is paramount. Search abandoned buildings and towns. Crafting is simple but vital, allowing you to create bandages or basic tools from raw materials. Remember, the environment itself is a threat. Exposure to cold or rain can lead to sickness, so always seek shelter and warmth. Staying alive requires constant vigilance. Combat in DayZ is intense and often unforgiving. You'll face both the infected and other players, so be prepared. A wide array of weapons, from simple axes to powerful rifles, can be found and used. Player interaction is a huge part of the experience. You can use in-game voice chat to communicate. Every encounter presents a choice. Will you team up for mutual benefit, or will you engage in a fight for resources? Trust is a rare commodity. To truly thrive in DayZ, consider advanced strategies. Mastering map navigation is crucial for finding specific locations and avoiding danger zones. Establishing a hidden base or stashing your valuable gear in a secure spot can provide a safe haven. Stealth is often your best friend. Moving quietly and staying out of sight can prevent many unwanted encounters. Finally, while solo play is possible, forming a reliable team significantly increases your chances of long-term survival against the many threats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.